Well, hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I am going to show you how you can make this mini hand sculpture just with newspaper. You can use these many sculptures for keychain too. Step 1. Making the base. For making the base, I am gonna take this mini piece of cardboard. After that, trace your hand on the cardboard. But don't trace the fingers, just trace the area of your palm. As you can see, now cut the piece smaller than what you draw. Since we are making a mini sculpture, we have to cut it small too. Now take a piece of newspaper, fold it and roll it into a finger shape. You can use your finger as a reference. Just make the finger smaller than yours. Secure the paper finger with tape. And now attach the finger on the cardboard where index finger is. Repeat the process for your middle finger and rest of the fingers also. As you can see, it's now look like a hand. Now we are gonna make the hand more realistic by adding folded papers on the hand to make it even more bulky. Now cut some newspapers and make a little ball of the newspapers to create the knuckles. After finishing the process, your paper hand will gonna look like this. Step 2. Making the paper mache. For making paper mache, I'll take a bowl and I'm gonna add glue in it. And add spoon of flour and half spoon of cement. If you don't have cement, you can skip it. Instead, add more flour. Now take more newspaper, cut it and add it on your paper hand. Paper mache will gonna make it even strong and hard. Now after paper mache dried, it will gonna look like this. And after that, I also added a paper mache clay on this hand to make it strong. Sanding and painting. Now we are gonna sand the hand with the sandpaper. After that, it will gonna look nice and smooth without any bumps. Now I'm gonna paint the hand with acrylic colors. After painting, it will gonna look like this. I know I'm bad at painting, so this may not look good, but I'm sure we will gonna do it even better. Well, our creepy hand sculpture is now ready. You can use this hand for keychain, or you can use it for cosplay too. It's on you. I also made this eye sculpture too with remaining paper mache clay. Well, thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, then drop a like and subscribe to my channel for even more DIY content. And if you have any suggestion in your mind, you can comment on my video. Well, sayonara I guess.